Hey everyone, welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, where we expose shady deals and test trending products to help you shop smart. Today, we're reviewing Perma Patch, the viral pothole repair product that claims to permanently fix cracks and holes in your driveway or pavement. But does it really work, or is it just another overpriced bag of hype? Let's find out. Perma Patch is promoted as a cold mix asphalt repair solution. No machines, no heat, just pour, pack, and go. It's being marketed heavily on Facebook and DIY forums, with bold claims like permanent fix in minutes and zero prep needed. Sounds perfect for home repairs, but we've seen these kinds of claims before. In our test, the product was easy to apply, but here's the thing, it didn't bond as strongly as advertised. Several users also reported the patch cracked within weeks, especially in areas with heavy vehicle traffic or changing weather. So while it works temporarily, it may not hold up over time unless applied under ideal conditions. When we looked deeper, we found some concerning patterns, including long delivery times, high shipping fees, and no clear refund policy on some third-party websites. Some buyers even received bags that were hardened or partially unusable. And while Perma Patch is a real product, fake sellers are popping up with look-alike names and no accountability. For something that costs between $40 to $80 per bag, the results aren't exactly groundbreaking. There are cheaper and more reliable alternatives at local hardware stores, and many professionals warn that Perma Patch is best used as a temporary fix, not a permanent solution despite the name. So, is Perma Patch legit? Technically, yes, it can work. But is it a long-term, cost-effective solution? Probably not. It's a temporary fix with some real limitations. And if you're buying from unknown sellers or pop-up websites, be careful, because scams are everywhere in the DIY world. Have you tried Perma Patch or a similar product? Share your experience in the comments. It could help others avoid wasting money. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for weekly scam alerts and honest reviews. This is Online Scam Advisor, helping you shop safe every step of the way. Thank you.